champ! Today we are going to make an Xmas tree. For this we will require a pencil, crayons, sketch pen and eraser. So let's follow these steps and start making our Xmas tree. Let's take our pencil and start making these 3 dots. Do you know which shape do we make out of 3 dots? By joining them? Yes, it's a triangle. Let's start making a triangle. In this triangle, the left and the right side seem to be equal. So do you know what this triangle is called? Yes, it is called an isosceles triangle. Now, let's divide this triangle into 4 parts. And then make the trunk of our Xmas tree. Yes, let's make a rectangle right here. And after that, it's time for us to make this fabulous star. Yes, let's make it in the first compartment. After that, why don't we start making the side part of the tree? Yes, let's start drawing this in detail now. We will make sure that the tree is narrow and starts getting broader at the bottom. Make a U-shaped design on the sleeping line to complete the tree. Now, let's make the leaves of the Xmas tree. This looks interesting. Let's continue making this. Now, let's make the bark. Yes, a little bit thicker this time. Don't you think this is giving us an overlapping effect? Wherein the upper portion of the tree is on top of the bottom part. And now comes the fun part. Let's start decorating our Christmas tree. Yes, with ribbons and balls. This looks very interesting, isn't it? I am very excited to finish this. Now it's time for us to trace it with a black sketch pen. Make sure you try and go right on top of your pencil marks. If you feel that you've made a mistake with your pencil mark, then all you have to do is try correcting it with your sketch pen. It is advisable to use a black sketch pen so that your drawing is highlighted. Let's continue and finish the entire sketching. It is advisable to go very slow while sketching. Yes, so that we don't make a mistake. Do you think we'll be able to erase the sketch pen marks? No, right? Hence, we do not have to make any mistakes here. But don't you worry, if you make a mistake, that's completely okay. Let's complete sketching the entire portion. And finally, the bark of the tree. That's lovely. Let's grab our eraser and start erasing the pencil marks which we see. Yes, this is going to make our drawing look neat and clean. We will start by coloring on the left side of the tree first, which is the darker side. At first, we are going to press the color. And then start coloring lightly. Now it's time for us to take the lighter color and merge it with the darker color. This looks interesting, right? Finally, why don't we take the lightest color and do it on the side? This has given us a beautiful shading effect, isn't it? That's lovely. And now the star is supposed to be done. And then the decoration. Why don't we shade this ribbon as well? Yes, with a magenta or a maroon and a pink color. Finally, let's do these Christmas balls and then the bark of the tree. Well, the bark of the tree is also being done with two colors, which is a brown color and an ochre color. Well, yes, an ochre color looks like a light brown color. Finally, let's use our tissue paper and brush off the excess color. That's amazing!